Hey guys, it's Brian. I wanted to review this AIRROBO vacuum cleaner. It's the T20 Plus model. And I also wanted to show you how to set up and use this. So this is the robot and then the base. And the base is also the trash collector here. So it does come with a remote as well, which I'll review in just a moment. Now this is the on power button. You're going to press this to turn it on. And it also has a home feature, which you're going to want to press to start up as well. Now this has 20 different sensors and increased laser tech. I wanted to show this quick video. Now these presents won't always be here, but you can kind of see how it's maneuvering around these presents and watch what it does with this gift bag here. So my old robot would have moved this out of the way, but this is actually going around it with all its new laser sensors, and it's doing a really good job here. So at first, it's going to make a map of the room, and it's doing it here, kind of going through the perimeter of the room, and then it'll clean the inside of the room, but it's doing a really good job. I am impressed. It has the two separate brushes, and the first thing you're going to want to do to set this up is turn the power on, and then you're going to press the home button. And what that's going to do is make it kind of find the home base here, and it's going to maneuver around and back up into the home base using its sensors to get a quick reading of the room and then empty the contents if it does have it in there. Now this does have 2700 kPa as far as the suction power here, and it also, you can control this through Google and Alexa with voice controls. Now with the app, you can also see this. You just need Bluetooth to connect it. It's going to make a map of your home. At first it doesn't know it, and then once it cleans, it creates that map. There's a bunch of different settings you can use on here, and you can even use your phone as a remote control. So technically you could be on vacation and start up the Roomba or this iRobot from afar. Now you can see it moving here and can kind of going under the chairs. It does have, like I said, over 20 different lasers. This is kind of a more value priced wise vacuum cleaner, kind of, I almost think matching the higher level vacuum cleaners. Now this is the remote. You can use this to spot clean, do an auto clean on the house, turn it on, off, and return to home as well. Now you can see it here. It's kind of going around the perimeter, kind of near our outside door, but it also has a mop function, which I'm going to go over in a minute as well. And it's also good to clean over different periods of time, because as you can see, we have all these gifts here, but these aren't going to be here forever because it's Christmas time. It's learning the map based on those gifts. And you can see it's maneuvering pretty well under this chair. It's maneuvering a lot better than the earlier kind of models I've seen. And now this is me using the mop feature. So what you're going to do is this pops on out, and how to do that is you press down on this little tab here, and this pulls on out. There are directions once you pull this out, and we're going to fill this up with water on this little rubber tab. So this just opens up, and then this opens up as well. This is going to be the lint collector, and this little white part is the HEPA filter. It did come with, I think, one or two, or it came with 2 HEPA filters, and then it's going to actually vacuum and mop at the same time, which is pretty impressive. Now how it knows to mop is you're going to attach this mop pad onto the base and slide it in, and once it clicks, it's going to know it needs to mop. Now here it is mopping. It's kind of, again, going in and out of the perimeter, and then it'll kind of go back and forth according to its algorithm on the inside here. It did do a pretty good job. This is it after mopping, and I was really impressed because I opened this up and there was a lot of like lint and dirt here. And I didn't even think it was going to vacuum, because we thought we had to vacuum first and then we'd use the mop feature, but this actually does it like a 2-in-1. Now another thing, through the app you can also make virtual walls so it won't go through, and no-go zones, and you can actually select certain rooms to clean through the app. So there's a ton of different features, and you can see it's mopping through this kind of overlay method where it's kind of mopping with half on and half off the previously mopped area, which is beneficial, I think. Now, I think you will have to use the no-go zones for the mopping if you don't want to use this on carpet, but I did kind of find that I think it automatically senses carpet to a degree, because it did go into carpeted rooms, but it seemed like it was just trying to get to the more flat surfaces with the mop. So I need to research that a little bit more. Now it does transition just fine to see this little throw rug here, and it's in the bathroom cleaning on tile, and it is going to the crevices. I'm pretty happy with that. Now this is on tile. It's doing a little spot clean, and it'll automatically do that when it is finding some dirt as well. Now I am pretty satisfied with this one. Again, it does seem like it's a higher end type smart vacuum, but at a lower end price. You'll see a lot of them for the much higher prices, but now this one with the remote here, when you're done, you just open this up, and this is where the filter bag is going to be. So once it sucks it up, you can select it to suck up with each vacuum or every other, or even less than that. This just pops on out. They do come with a few replacements here, but this one doesn't need to be replaced yet. We just used it once for a full house vacuum. It does have a little cleaner brush you can see there to the left if you do need to clean out the HEPA filter or some of the brushes. The thing I'm most impressed with this is the actual sensors. It does do a really good job cleaning. I am linking this down below in case you want to pick this up. So go ahead and check this out. I hope this served as a good review for you guys.